Yo, pickle ketchup, it's okay if I don't want that Impossible or bacon Whopper, any Whopper my way. You rule your season today at BK. Have it your way.
Charmin, no wonder I don't feel as clean.
Here's Charmin Ultra Strong.
Ah, my bottom's been saved.
With its diamond weave texture, Charmin Ultra Strong cleans better with fewer sheets and less effort. Enjoy the go with Charmin.
When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea, try Pepto-Bismol with a powerful coating action for fast and soothing relief. Pepto-Bismol, the fast relief when you need it most.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System from the Los Angeles Emergency Operations Center, where the response to major emergencies is managed. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver Emergency Alert System warnings that will help you understand what has happened and what you need to do. When you hear a real Emergency Alert System broadcast, you should immediately tune to a source of broadcast news for Los Angeles County. This concludes the test of the Emergency Alert System.
Yes! Yes!
I just don't understand how this infection got so bad.
What do you mean? I tried to warn you. Even she said that this could happen.
I know that this can be very stressful, but we're running out of time. If we don't amputate the leg and the fingers, then there's a 90% chance this infection could spread even more.
90%? You mean there is still chances that
Oh, stop it, Steven. You don't get a say in this anymore. Oh my gosh. Hey, sweetie. How are you feeling?
All right. What were you saying about losing my leg?
Nothing's gonna happen to you, son. Don't worry about it.
Stop sugarcoating everything.